We're at the Columbia City Farmers Market to meet up with Charlie, the baker and owner of Deep Sea Sugar and Salt. Every week, Charlie visits this market to find the freshest ingredients for her cakes.
Have a good day. Yeah, you too.
She started her cake business 3 years ago and already has 2 locations and a large following.
I dream of this cake, honestly.
It's really good cake. It's got good texture and the flavors are interesting.
Feels very like farm to table-y. I would say it feels like your local community. It just feels very welcoming and inviting.
Over coffee and a piece of cake, I asked Charlie why she chose to start her business in Georgetown.
Georgetown's my home.
Is it?
I moved to the neighborhood 12 years ago. The community here is amazing.
So do you like rotate or do you come up with new ideas? How does the menu work?
So we have a regular menu that's listed on our website, and every day we serve a rotating selection from that menu, as well as seasonal specials and kind of like random whims that we come up with in the kitchen in the morning. In the summer months, I go to the farmers market every Wednesday, and it's a blast. You can find everything you need, and you don't need to do anything with the fresh fruit. It's so good.